Okay, now I'm recording now. Lol. Oh, I think I see a boat. Or do I? I can barely see anything.
Oh, what? I'm getting shot!
Ah, there's a helicopter!
Reload.
Look out, they're boarding the
I see a
train!
train. Holy crap,
Look
this
out.
is going so
Closer.
bad right now.
There's more boats.
Yeah, there's a lot of boats actually. Oh gosh, that
Hello
one has
guys,
one.
what is this game called again? I forgot.
Defend the train.
I'm recording. Ah, I'm getting shot.
I'm down to 30 HP.
They're shooting me. I'm gonna die. They're gonna kill me.
I'm dead.
Me too. This is...
I like how this is the one time none of us went healer.
Yeah, the one time we went healer is the one time that we didn't need it. Lol.
Yeah. And there's a mini game I can play while waiting for the round to end.
Oops, I actually clicked this guy. No, I do not need a tutorial. It seems like the only guy left is gonna die. Never mind, they reached the station. Thank goodness. And also, that's not a guy, that's a girl.
Damn, alright. Can I leave this game?
We only have 4 people left. This isn't gonna go well for us. Okay, they have motorcycles with like sidecars, and then they have planes.
Hold on, I'm trying to finish this game.
Hurry up, the round is about to start again.
I can't leave it for some reason. Let me leave. Game. I don't want to play this anymore.
You're still in the spectator place.
I know, hold on.
Looks like you're gonna miss out
There,
on
I
this
think the
round.
minigame ended. There should be enough time for me to leave. Hold on. Wait, Alright,
Looks
yeah,
like you're
I'm
stuck
out.
with pandemonium because you're in the mini games.
Yeah. Alright, I was able to upgrade a bit just before we left.
Okay.
Okay.
Remember, there's
I'm
planes
the
and motorcycles.
healer. Yeah, that's for you guys. I'm the one who's gonna be healing you guys.
You still need to shoot.
Yeah, I can still shoot, but my main goal is to heal you guys. Wow, look at this place. Seen better days.
This looks like the Dead Rails place if it wasn't in Western times. Like if
Oh yeah, have you
modern
seen
times.
that someone had made what's this, the new glitch where you can be a oh, enemy.
I'm lagging!
Hold on.
Dude, I'm lagging.
Other side.
I'm legit lagging! I don't know what to say. They're all frozen for me. My goodness. I think my Wi-Fi just shat the bed.
The physics of this game makes no sense.
My guy, I think my Wi-Fi just shat the bed. I think I'm out.
Oh gosh, I need to reload.
Like, I'm literally frozen right now.
I see.
This isn't fair.
I need to heal you guys.
Can I rejoin? I'm going to rejoin.
Wait, hold on. We made it to a stop.
Well, looks like I'm out. Never mind, I'm back.
How do we
Is it the same server?
How do we heal the thing? How can we heal? We need to fix the train.
Okay, looks like I'm back. They got motorcycles, jeeps, and more jeeps. This time, I think my Wi-Fi is gonna do
And
better this time.
hold on, this is screw that. No, that's like a truck, like a mini truck. What?
You guys ready?
What's happened?
Press F4 for ready. Are you ready? Then click Alt F4. Hello?
I don't know how we can get it. How we can heal the trains.
Me neither. I think it just breaks apart eventually. Because this seems pretty unforgiving in terms of the train health.
How do we heal the trains?
This game feels a little too laggy. I'm gonna...
Oh, I think there's no way we can heal the train, so that's...
Okay.
Oh, well, it's just three of us defending.
I think I see...
Oh gosh!
Never mind, I'm lagging again.
I got hit. That actually hurts.
This game sucks so hard for me because I'm lagging really hard right now. I think I'm dead. Heal me. I'm dead.
I'm gonna die.
This sucks.
I can't see it. I'm so low.
The train's gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
I think it's game over.
Most likely. I'm not gonna accept defeat that easily. I'm gonna go down.
As you
Yeah,
said,
I went down.
you got shot in the face. Game over. Five
No, it
waves
literally
survived.
That's the thing, it literally went to the face. You ha- Hold on, I'm gonna leave the server. I'm gonna pick a better one because the one we joined barely had any people in it.
No, I think that I have a problem with the game overall, is that it's too intensive for what I currently have.
What do you mean?
It lags
How?
so hard
Hmm.
for me.
Oh, hold on, try to join now.
Okay. Hold on, I'm loading. I'm not going. I'm not going down that easily. Guys. Hello?
Yes, that's how. Yeah.
You said it like. Really said it well. Anyways, looks like we're
I'm
in.
still here.
Looks like we're in an already server. Well, we already know the drill by now.
I'm gonna be a healer again, of course.
I'm gonna increase just damage. Bullet
It's
damage.
fun. It's just hard first.
I'm just gonna increase bullet damage, you know? Standard stuff. And this is damage to the car. And for money, we can get...
A lot of. What the hell is this train?
Oh, it looks like a common... It looks like a subway train. Like, you know...
Like it.
It looks like the train in that Mark gets his face rammed through. Anyways. Looks like they got a taco truck, a car, and a helicopter. Yeah, I hope you guys are ready. Three, two, one. Maybe this time you'll learn. The trains aren't that bad.
Right.
Whoa, do you see that
game's
guy,
broken.
like, over there? It's like some sort of cyber bunny.
Heal.
Okay. Do you see anything on the sides? I can't really see because I'm kinda laggy. Oh, I see something. I see a car. Shoot it.
Oh, they're over there.
Yeah, they're at the highways. Shoot them. There's a helicopter. Shoot the helicopter.
Yeah, I
Oh,
also
they
got
move
surprised.
fast. Ah! Die. Kill the marksman on that helicopter.
The hell was that? A
Taco.
sign hit me in the face.
Taco truck. The taco is a gun. The taco is a cannon. Where's the ammo? I need ammo now. Okay. Restock ammo.
I died.
Marksman helicopter inbound. Shooting said marksman. Marksman down. Marksman on another helicopter. Locked on. Enemy down.
I died.
Enemy vehicle destroyed. Ammo restocking. And we're back. Well, that was certainly surprising, huh? Wouldn't you agree? Wave win.
I don't think I should be a healer anymore.
You don't think you should be the healer anymore? They have a motorbike, they have a Pontiac, and planes. I'm just increasing bullet damage at this point. Although we can upgrade the train, like we can add missile launchers to the train if we save up enough
Hector, you're
EXP.
cutting off. I don't know what you're saying.
Oh, we can upgrade the train's armor. We can upgrade the train by speaking to the red guy. You don't need your gun, so you can just
What?
upgrade the train. You can upgrade the train.
Yep. Hello?
You can upgrade the train. Let's do this. Motorcycle. Hell yeah.
Right, man. Hell yeah.
Okay. Okay, there's another motorcyclist right there. By the way, I like the trend of like soldiers on motorcycles. I find it kind of cool. Oh, there's a plane! Someone take care of that plane. Ow. Look out, mafia car! It's a drive-by car.
Yeah. That's what they're kind of doing anyways, so it's not that shitty. I'm out of ammo.
I need to replenish now. Ammo replenished. I kind of hate how this train is built. It, like, has cover. But not the good kind of cover. I'm lagging again. Someone help me.
I can tell.
Can someone please tell me what's happening? I can't tell.
That. Yeah, we made it. That was so good.
How is this bunny able to survive
I like
so...
this new train.
How is this bunny able to survive for so long on the top of the train without any help? Okay, let's see. I can upgrade more bullet damage.
Oh no.
Okay,
What
it
is
seems
that?
I-
Ice cream bike.
it seems. Oh, it's like the little ice cream things, like you know the ice cream trikes that we have in the province.
I just kept upgrading my gun.
I'm just gonna
My gun
upgrade.
is my life.
Okay, so my gun, I just maxed out my gun's damage and then I upgraded the train's armor to the max. The train's armor is now maxed.
I see.
My gun is absolutely bossing it.
Come on, we need more people on the train.
It seems like we only have 5.
We don't have any healers this time. Are you kidding me?
We are going to die.
Hey, Mom, can you sign the thing, please?
Sign the what?
Alright. Let's do this. Mom! Could you sign the thing I sent you, please? Could you sign the thing I sent you?
Okay, so you do.
Alright, thank you.
You face at the water. I'm going to face at the roads. Okay.
Maybe. You lag, so I don't think it's really good if you... Oh, they're
They're using like
drones! They're not human! That's
Oh.
bad for me. I can't really do that much damage against
I'm getting
those.
obliterated up here.
Oh, but that I can hurt.
Oh wait, someone actually. Yo, this guy is healing me. He has a healing pistol. You lied about there being no healers. The back parts are taking so much damage.
Let's go! I can take that guy down.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me just.
Oh wait, we made it. Let's go.
Okay, I think this is where we end off.
That was actually really good. I kind of like this new train layout. It's much more effective in defense.
Maybe I think I'm gonna head off for now.
Alrighty. Like for the